Hey everybody, this is Jeremiah Craig, and I am on my way to Leon to do some work for YeehawCowboy.com. Yes, it is an incredible opportunity. Leon, what can be argued is the cowboy boot capital of the world. Let's get into it. This is gonna be epic. I landed in Leon, Mexico, ready to work and learn all about behind the scenes of cowboy boots. And I found Leon to be a city like many others, except for the fact that thousands of cowboy boots are made here every day. I met Jose Diaz, owner of YeehawCowboy.com, and we went to the Los Altos Boots factory where I started filming and asking a bunch of random questions. As they were cutting leather, a question came to mind I never thought to ask before. What's the hardest leather to cut?
¿Cuál es la piel más dura para cortar?
Mantarraya.
Oh, shit, yeah. Stingray. He said the Stingray is like freaking cutting a rock. So hard, dog.
Oh man. Wow.
The Stingray scales felt like hundreds of tiny buttons, but they are made from pure calcium. Hard stuff.
Lo que se hace es básicamente lo mismo. Se figura lo que es el corte de la chinela.
So you had to use scissors to cut it because the blade will not cut through it. So it's basically like a rock on the center part. So he has to use the scissors to cut because other shit won't cut through it. How do you feel about Stingray?
I want one someday.
Yeah?
Yeah, I love that look.
Yeah, me
I had
too.
no idea it was going to be the toughest to cut though. That's new to me.
Yeah.
After learning that Stingray leather is the hardest to cut, we went over to where they last the boot to give the boot its shape. Look at all the nails they use.
How many nails in each boot?
Normalmente, ¿cuántos clavos de echan a toda la bota de allá? Do you want to count the front? Because the front gets sticking out.
That stay in.
¿Cuántos clavos crees que queden adentro de la bota?
Alrededor de 20, 25 clavos.
Around 20. So those nails, they stay in. The back parts, not the front, but the back. And what it does, there's a metal piece at the bottom that makes the nail curl in.
So about 20 nails stay in the boot during the lasting process. But as the boot moves on, more nails are added before the sole is put on, then through the sole, and also to attach the heel. There were more than 50 nails in each boot. If you have a pair on right now, you could be standing on more than 100 nails. Finally, I was wondering about quality control. With so many people working on one pair, how many times do they have to check the boot to make sure there are no defects or mistakes?
They double check them.
That's quality assurance.
Yeah.
So they check them like 5 or 4, maybe 6 times, whatever.
Before it goes down to like final production, she has to see, make sure it's good. So that's one quality to control. Cool? And this is all done, so they're gonna take it downstairs. She already checked all that.
Then we went downstairs to find they checked the boots again after the lasting process.
So right here she's checking, make sure it has no defects. Like this one had a defect, but she's just going back to where it got messed up at. So she's double checking them.
Finally, after every step is complete, they check every inch of the boot one last time before shipping it out.
This is the last inspection. This is before it goes into the box and ship out to the US. She checks everything. And if it's something messed up, it goes back again.
They also are sure to check the leather for defects before cutting, but there are a total of 3 quality control areas. One for the uppers before the boot is lasted, one after the boot is lasted, and finally when the boot is all done and ready to ship out. Pretty cool stuff, right? Let me know what your favorite little factoid was down in the comments. Subscribe if this is your first time seeing me, and like this video. Also, while you're at it, if you want to see more footage from this trip, go over and subscribe to Yeehaw Cowboy's channel because all of the videos are up
from the whole trip. So you can see every step of the way with him being the host. And let me tell you, it was an incredible experience. I learned so much. Thank you so much for watching today. My name is Jeremiah Craig, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Well, there's so much to learn in Leon for a day. All about how cowboy boots are made. There would have been more if I could have stayed in Leon another day. My name is Jeremiah Craig. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace.